Hello student, today we're going to do the exercises on page 6. Exercise number 2, complete the sentences with both words. You have two words, everyone have a different meaning. Let's start. So number 1, the word discuss and the word argue. Discuss means يناقش, and mostly discuss is to talk with someone calmly, بهدوء, while argue is a little bit need evidence to prove your opinion. مجادلة يجادل. Here discuss and argue are verbs. The noun form from discuss is discussion, and the noun form from argue is argument. Number 1. Let's sit down and discuss this like adults. Why do we have to argue about things all the time? So the first is discuss, the second is argue. Number 2, criticize ينتقد, advise ينصح. And just I note you that advise here with s at the end is a verb. If it is a c, advise, it would be noun. So advise ينصح, criticize ينتقد. And of course there's a big difference between criticize and advise. If you want a better relationship with your son, إذا كنت تريد علاقة أفضل with your son, I'd advise you to not criticize what he does all the time. He advised him to stop criticizing his son. Number 3, grumble يتذمر, gossip اللي هي النمي ينم أو يستغيب. Okay, my father likes to grumble about the weather يعني الجو, whereas my mother loves to gossip about the neighbors الجيران, unfortunately. Number 4, praises معناها يمدح, accuses يتهم. Dad often accused grandma of not being strict enough with me. Strict means صارم أو جدي. He says she praises me no matter what I do. That means that his dad wants grandma to be strict with him. That's it. Okay, exercise number 3. Complete the words related to different kinds of feelings. Feelings means مشاعر. Write the vowel A, E, I, O, U on each line. Look at this draw. It's like a face. These are vowels O, A, E, I, and U. Okay, my parents never listen to what I have to say. I feel so here frustrated. Frustrated means disappointed. محبط, and it is adjective. Frustrated means disappointed. خاب أمله. Number 2. Nancy got angry and shouted at her grandfather. Now she feels ashamed of her behavior. She shouted at her grandfather, and this is really something shameful. So, ashamed means انحرج أو محرج. It means impressed, okay? It is also adjective. If you want to get along in this company, you must be respectful towards everyone you work with. Get along means to match or ينسجم, agree, okay? So the word is respectful. محترم means polite. Respectful, polite, adjective. Aunt Margie is always smiling and laughing. She keeps smiling and laughing. She is cheerful person. Cheerful معناها happy, مرح, joyful, okay? Joyful or happy, the same. Adjective. Mom and dad are usually very calm, quiet, هادئين people, but they do get angry if they think I'm not trying my best. Okay, number 7 or number 6, sorry. Why do you never help out with the chores? Don't you feel guilty when your mom does everything? Now he blaming him because he did not or do not help his mother in the chores. And the word is guilty مذنب يعني ما بتشعر بتأنيب الضمير خلينا نحكي. Blameworthy مذنب. It's also adjective. Tony had an argument جدال. Argument means جدال with his best friend and now he is not talking to him. بطل يحكي معه. He feels miserable. Miserable, very sad. حزين جدا. It is adjective. The last one. Janet's family was very proud of her when she came first in her class because she got the first in her class جابت الأولى على الصف. So they are very proud of her. Proud means overjoyed. فخورين. Okay, and it is also adjective.